Welcome to Photoshop Art. Microsoft just added AI-powered tools for creating both text and images. To chat with AI, simply select Chat tab or click on the Bing icon. To generate images, you can search for Image Creator from Microsoft. You can also generate images directly in the chat. Just ask it to do it. To see the image, just click on it. To save the image, click on the Download option. As for the image quality, judge for yourself. I'm going to make the same images with my Stable Diffusion and you see for yourself. The left image is from Microsoft Bing and the right one is from Stable Diffusion. Since there are no options and image quality is poor, I recommend you to use Stable Diffusion instead. This is Photoshop Art. Thanks for watching.